Brooklyn, New York. Two porch pirates come to steal. With bags ready in hand, they grab some home gym equipment. Little did they know, they came to the wrong house and messed with the wrong woman. She confronts them.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Bring it back. Now. Now. All the way up on my porch. Excuse me. On my porch now. Don't you dare ever steal stuff from anybody's porch again.
She sure taught them a lesson.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.